Okay guys, got something for you that's real. So just look at that access door and then look in here. Now I'm in the attic, got an interesting situation. The main hood doesn't pull quite the way it should. They think it's dirty, it might need a belt. I can hear it running. It's not really pulling the way it should. And take a look at this. So, got an access door. Opens up to a chamber. And look, we got a door off there. We got a door off down there. Two down there. And there's the doors. So these access doors are not closed and probably haven't been for years. Okay, on the roof, check this out. Duct cap left off, and bear with me, it's a little bit of a walk. So these guys, I'm not sure what they did or didn't do, but it's not done, not even close. Access door left off, so not only downstairs but on the roof too. Crazy stuff, but we'll take care of it. Bryant Exhaust Service.